Hello, here is Natalie. Nice to meet you. Today I'm going to show you the latest way to get free Amazon gift card codes. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to surveymdcads.com. Make sure to carefully read the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. Once you've done that, click on the Get Your Gift Card button. Next, choose an offer from the list. If you don't see any Amazon offers, check back later, or pick a different survey if you'd like. If you're not in the US, you might see other surveys or tasks on the list instead. Choose wisely. When the offer survey page opens, follow the instructions and complete all the steps carefully. Make sure to provide accurate information, as your gift card code will be sent to the email address you provide. Using fake details will disqualify you automatically, so stick with real info. I will not finish the survey right now because I already did it a few minutes ago. Once you complete the survey successfully, you'll see a confirmation message. From there, all you need to do is wait. Within 2 days, you should receive an email with your Amazon gift card code. As you can see, I received a $500 gift card code. To redeem it, simply search for Amazon gift card redeem on Google, which will take you to the official Amazon gift card redemption page. Enter your code and voila. I now have $500 in Amazon credit, and you can use it to buy anything you want on Amazon. So the secret to getting free Amazon gift cards is surveymdcads.com. Make sure to carefully read all the information on the site, complete surveys, and start shopping. And as an important note, you can complete the same survey again after 2 days. The more surveys you complete, the more chances you have to win. I hope this tutorial helps. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.